Hi, this is Kirk Laughlin from Telecom TV Americas, reporting to you from the birthplace of the banking industry in Lower Manhattan, where we're going to speak today briefly about the acceleration of mobile banking, led by Bank of America, which announced that 3.5 million customers currently use mobile devices to access their Bank of America accounts. Also active in the space are Wells Fargo and USAA. Bank of America also announced that 85% of its users are using smartphones to access these features. The bank further announced that there's two significant hurdles that they face in terms of accelerating adoption. One is simply that users don't see a need for mobile banking, and secondly, and not surprisingly, security remains a significant risk. One of the key attractions of the mobile platform is the fact that banks can communicate with their customers at a much lower cost basis compared to call center interactions or even the online channel. So for instance, using mobile platforms enables banks to communicate with their customers at about 8 cents a transaction versus a call center which goes for about $3.75 per transaction. In other news out of the Americas this week, InCode Telecom came out with its predictions for 2010. The biggest prediction was the fact that Netbooks are going to put serious strain on wireless networks, and wireless carriers are going to have to adapt. Obviously, there's some significant risks around capacity, and InCode is asking carriers, recommending to carriers, they make those changes now. Sprint Nextel announced this week that it's going to pump $1 billion into the new wireless standard called WiMax. This is an effort to stay ahead of competitors such as AT&T and Verizon, who are obviously backing LTE. This is a significant move and also a risky move for Sprint Nextel as it continues to battle balance sheet issues, which has resulted in the fact that they've laid off 8,000 people in the year 2009. WiMax success is not a certainty for Sprint. Only about 500,000 customers are signed on so far, so 2010 may well be a make or break year for the Kansas City provider. This is Kirk Laughlin from Telecom TV Americas, reporting to you from Lower Manhattan. Thanks for joining us.
Verbleibenden Spielzeit von 1,5 Minuten führt die Tschechische Republik mit 1:0. Amoroso bringt den Ball an sich. Er dreht sich, er reißt sich los. Er läuft die Seitenlinie hinunter. Er gibt ab zu herrlich. Herrlich weint einen Angriff aus. Herrlich reißt sich los. Er läuft und läuft. Er schießt und Tor!